So today we're going to talk about the supplement and the complement of an angle. So here you're given a word problem. The supplement of an angle is 6 less than 3 times the complement. Okay, so my advice to you on word problems is to make a key. So first, we're looking for an angle measure. This is what we're looking for, an angle measure. So we're going to let x equal our angle measure. All right, then let's talk about some keywords in this word problem. So guys, at this point, you understand the definition of supplement and complementary angles. So we know that complementary angles are 90-degree angles. So if we're going to talk about the complement of that angle, then we're going to talk about, we know its total angle measure is 90, and then we're going to take away the angle in question. So we know that that would be the complement of an angle, because we know complementary means 90, so therefore whatever the angle is, it has to be less than 90. And we can do the same thing for supplement. We know supplementary angles are 180, so therefore this angle in question must be less than 180. So we're going to call that guy the supplement of an angle. All right, now once you have your key, so I encourage you to take just 30 seconds and make your key, because from there you can set up your equation in the same order as your word problem. And what I mean by that is, let's break down the first thing, supplement of an angle. All right, supplement of an angle. Well, look guys, you have it right there, supplement of an angle. So we know we're going to start our equation with 180 minus x. Is, we know that the word is means equals. Now this is where it gets a little dicey, because 6 less than. So we know, due to PEMDAS, adding and subtracting is always going to come at the end of our order of operations. So we can put it down here, 6 less than 3 times the complement. We'll look right here. So we know the complement of an angle is 90 minus x, and we want it to be 3 times the complement. So truly, the only trick to setting up this equation is to make sure you put your add or subtract at the back. Guys, if you want to put it at the front, just make sure you make that 6 a negative, because we want it to be 6 less than. All right, from here, distribute your 3. So we get 270 minus 3x minus 6, and then bring down your 180 minus x. Combine like terms, 270 minus 6, we get 264. Bring down the left-hand side. All right, from here, I'm going to move the 3x to make him positive, and then I'm going to subtract the 180. Those cancel. So negative x plus 3x is a 2x. 264 minus 180, 84. Divide both sides by 2, and we get that x is 42. Okay, now, this is where you need to remember, what does x represent? Guys, x represents an angle measure, so make sure you put your degrees. That means that angle is 42 degrees. So if we want to find the complement of that angle, we could say 90 minus the 42 would give us a 48-degree angle for the complement, and then 180 minus 42 would give us 138 degrees for the supplement. So we'll do one more example like this. Take a second, write down this example. The supplement of an angle is 38 more than twice the complement. So again, let x equal the angle measure. This is the guy you're looking for. We have no idea what he is, so we're going to let him be x. We know that 90 minus x is our complement. And we know that 180 minus x is our supplement. So guys, that literally took me 10 seconds. Now I can use my key and decipher how to set up my equation based off of the order of the words in my word problem. First thing, supplement of an angle. Look, I already have it right here. 180 minus x is, we all remember this guy, he means equals, 38 more than, 38 more than twice the complement. Well, we know that complement is 90 minus x. So if it's twice than, we're going to multiply it by 2. So truly, when you're adding 38 more than, I usually put him in the front. You could have put plus 38 at the back if you wanted to keep it like our first example. But the first example is always tricky because it's a less than, so you need to make sure your 6 was negative. All right, distribute your 2. Bring down the rest. Combine like terms. So we get 180 minus x equals 38 plus 180 is a 218 minus 2x. Now I'm going to add my 2x here, subtract my 180 here. And guys, remember, x represents an angle measure. So make sure you give him a degree. X represents an angle measure, so make sure you give him a degree. Now, if I want to find the supplement, I could say 180 minus 38, and I get a 142 degree angle for the supplement. 90 minus 38, and I would get a 52 degree angle for the complement.